Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by degreasing the nail, wipe with 99% alcohol and push cuticles back. Apply a thin gel base coat and cure it for 30-60 seconds. Do not overbuild. Once cured, make sure the surface is tacky but not wet. This slight tack helps the chrome adhere. Keep your chrome powder and applicator ready. You'll work one nail at a time to control transfer and avoid wasting product. Now move to rubbing in the chrome. Apply chrome by tapping a small amount onto the tacky base and rubbing in with a soft applicator. Circular strokes build reflective finish faster. Keep pressure consistent. Too hard creates streaks, too light leaves patchy spots. Once coverage is smooth, press chrome into the cuticle and free edge to seal the look, then brush off loose powder. If your base is no wipe, you can proceed to top coat. Otherwise, lightly remove residual powder before finishing to prevent haze. Finish with a thin, even gel top coat. Cure for 30-60 seconds to lock the chrome and reduce scratching. If you see streaks or bald spots, reapply a tiny amount of chrome only to the area, rub gently, then top coat and cure again. This fixes small defects without redoing the whole nail. If lifting occurs later, check for oil contamination. Remove polish, degrease thoroughly, apply a fresh base, then repeat chrome steps to ensure long-lasting adhesion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.